Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, strap in, and hide your biscuits, because the Zontes 703T has arrived, and it's not here to play nice. This beast packs an updated brand new 699 cubic centimeters triple-cylinder engine. That's right, a triple. Smooth like butter, loud like your neighbor's lawnmower at 6 a.m., and ready to launch you into the horizon with a soundtrack that says, "I'm classy, but also slightly unhinged." And the tech. Oh, the tech. We're talking a full 6-axis IMU, the kind of wizardry that keeps the bike upright even when your brain says, "Nope, we're definitely falling over." Cornering ABS, traction control, stability systems. Basically, it's like having a tiny superhero living inside your bike. Brakes. Nissan. Because when you're riding something this spicy, you want stopping power that doesn't feel like squeezing a wet sponge. Comfort. Zontes said, "Let's spoil them." You get a heated seat, perfect for winter, or pretending you've just eaten a very questionable curry. And cruise control, so you can glide down the motorway like a king, a queen, or whatever royalty you identify as. Up front, a big HD TFT display that looks like it was stolen from a spaceship. Keyless system, ride modes, full LED lighting. The whole bike basically glows like it's ready to headline a rave. Long travel suspension, aerodynamic bodywork, and a riding position that says, "Yes, I do look epic from every angle." The 703T isn't just a new model. It's Zontes kicking the door down, flipping the table and shouting, "We're in the big leagues now." So sit back, enjoy the pictures, and prepare yourself, because the Zontes 703T is here to make adventure riding fun, fast, and just a little bit ridiculous, in the best possible way. So released for sale in China. So hassle your Zontes dealer to find out when the 703T will hit your shores. Until next time, Mad Mick.
I'm coming for the throne.